Hey everyone, it's Shane here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a recipe that is so simple, only uses 4 ingredients and tastes absolutely delicious. Today I'm going to make you this egg and bacon pie. What we're going to need for this pie is about 200 grams of bacon or 3 to 4 rashers diced into smallish cubes, 6 eggs, 1 medium to large onion, roughly chopped. Oh, and speaking of onions, here's a tip for you. Before you chop your onion up, put it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Stop you crying. 2 sheets of puff pastry. So the first thing we're going to need to do is head on over to the stove to fry up this bacon and onion. Okay, now we're going to have the pieces of bacon. I'm going to fry these up until I get to a nice crispy state, because I like my bacon crispy. You don't got to cook them that much though. Oh man, love the smell of bacon. It smells so good. After a minute or so, I'll just add some of this onion in, just cook alongside the bacon. You want to get that onion nice and soft. Okay, this is almost done here. What I'm going to do is take it over and put it aside to let cool. I want to get this pretty cool before we put it in the pastry. We're preparing our pie. I'm just going to preheat this oven to 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to add some spray into this pie tin here. This is roughly a 20 centimetre pie tin. We're just going to add this bottom sheet in. Don't worry about any hanging over pieces, they're all going to get chopped off. First thing I'm going to put in is the bacon and onion on the bottom here. Spread it out and all nice and even. Oh man, that smells good. Now I'm just going to crack 6 eggs in. Try not to break the yolk. You want to keep the yolk solid if you can. Nice. There's one broken one. So I usually always get a broken egg in there. Try to keep these spread out a little bit. Just move it around, try to get all the juices all evenly dispersed. So we're just going to crack some pepper onto this. Because everything tastes better with pepper. I'm not going to add any salt to it though, because there's enough salt in the bacon. To a mug we'll just add another egg. And probably about a teaspoon of milk. We're just going to whisk this up and make a bit of an egg wash to glaze over the top of the pie. And I'll keep whisking it until it gets nice and smooth. Beautiful. I'm just going to brush around the edges here with a bit of the egg wash. This will help seal the pie top to the bottom. Now I'm just going to put the top over. Just push down on the edges with your fingers. Just to help seal it a little bit. Now just using a fork, just push along the edges. Help put a really good seal on it. Give it a bit of extra decoration as well. I hope anyway. I also add about 4 holes to the top of the pastry. Help all the gases escape. And finally, just beat over the top of it with a bit more egg wash. This will help get it all nice and brown, looking really good. This will make this pie crust look beautiful. Just like me. I'm just going to put this on the middle shelf of the oven for about 25 minutes to half an hour. Come back and check after 25 minutes, so if it's nice and golden brown, it's ready. I've just removed the pie from the oven. Man, it looks really nice. Nice golden top. And I'm just going to let it sit here for 45 minutes until it sets. Then we'll come back and cut it up. Oh, how good does that look? It's absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked what you've seen, hit that like button or hit that dislike button if you don't like bacon. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time.